You've decided to self-publish a book. That's awesome. Congrats. Now that you've made that decision, though, you've got to go write the thing. And then after you write it, you've got to edit it. But fear not, I've got your back. On this week's episode of the School for Writers podcast, I'm going into what it takes to write and edit a self-published book. Self-publishing is often seen as a lesser form of publishing because in many cases, people will rush incomplete and unpolished books to market. Now with self-publishing books, there are often less eyes on it before it goes out in the world, less professionals whose job it is to make it look polished, which means it's most likely to be even less, quote, perfect. But you know what? If you're waiting for perfect, you're never going to get your book out into the world. So repeat after me. Published is better than perfect. Instead of perfect, I want you to think about focusing on professional. What makes something professional completely and totally depends on your profession. So ask yourself this. What is the best way to speak to my book's particular audience? Every book's audience has its own set of needs, desires, and biases, and your professional success and personal satisfaction of your book will be enhanced if you focus on giving them what they want. So as you are writing and editing your book, you want to keep that audience in mind. You want to focus on the parts they care about. Put your time, money, and energy into making those parts of your book the best it can be. And then you need to let go of the rest. But you also want to focus on telling a story for them, not selling your book to them while you're writing it. Because here's the thing, when your audience is reading it, they're going to have already bought it. So you don't want to sell them on the book. You want to sell them on your story. So at the very least, you with your own eyes, put your book through that 3-part editing process. Okay, so that is how to write and edit your self-published book. We've got editors and coaches in the School for Writers Academy to help you if you want some support around that. And I'm always here with different podcast episodes to help you as well.